Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. The other day I was talking to an old mate of mine who's recently celebrated his birthday. I asked him if he got anything nice, and he told me he got a few nice little bits and pieces, but he also got given a table lamp that he really doesn't want. So, as he said, he's basically going to give it to his brother for his birthday this year. He added, yeah, my wife calls it re-gifting, but basically I'm just going to palm it off on him. If you palm something off on someone, or palm off something on someone, you basically sell it to them or dispose of it somehow by giving it to someone else, usually by misrepresenting what it is, by lying about it or not being completely honest. So if someone's given you a present that you don't want and you give it to someone else saying, "Oh, I saw this and I thought of you," you're obviously not being completely honest. You're palming it off on them. In the same way, someone might try to palm off their old car on you by saying, "Hey, I remember you saying that you were looking for a new motor. Listen, we've got this car, it's served us very well. We've got 5 good years out of it. It would be perfect for you. I could do you special mates rate." Probably you've also been on holiday to various places around the world where you have these guys who seem to make their living by trying to palm off cheap fake watches as genuine Rolexes to idiot tourists. And maybe, if you're a teacher and you do one-to-ones, so every now and then you might have a problem student that you're desperate to palm off onto one of your colleagues. So you might tell a colleague of yours, "I've got a student, I just don't have time to teach him myself, but I think he'd be a real challenge for you, and I know that you like a challenge. Would you like me to give you his details?" You're basically trying to palm off the problem student on this colleague of yours under false pretenses. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use palm off.